thanks to whoever from Steel City Storm that left this massive lemonade in here. Lina's enjoying it. She saw it. Okay, just slant, drip, chug, 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 chug. It's becoming a ritual on days when Lina has softball practice Saturday morning and Tony's at work that I stop by here for 3 minutes and talk to him and then go home. This was supposed to be the part where he opened the door and came out, but he hasn't done that yet. So we'll see. Oh, that we can't do. That's wrong. Oh shit! I forgot about that. I don't like the sound of this.
Yeah, I forgot. You know what? I'm gonna have to buy a sub pump too. Or can we run it to the old sub pump?
Does not like the sound of that. This guy. Guess who's hanging out with Steel City Storm tomorrow?
We'll have to look and see. Yeah.
Don't ever have other plans.
House repair plans. Ah, the bees. Leave me alone.
Fine. Oh, hey, what's up, Paul? What are you doing tomorrow? Nothing. You want to hang out with just me? Not Big Tone?
I'll FaceTime you guys from my basement while I'm fixing my sub pump. We got to run new piping. I forgot.
Good morning, Sawyer. Everybody's outside playing. Why don't you go outside? Hi, bye. Oh, where's she going?
Hi, where are you going? Daddy Jenna? No, Daddy's not out there. Come on, let's go this way. He's in here.
Yeah, he's working.
Go back by here. Let's go this way. And then we'll go in the sunroom and we can play on my phone, okay? Play on Grandma's phone?
I missed her patting the seat. Grandma, sit. Hi. Just getting some Burger King. No, you can order.
Hi, thank you to Burger King. How can I help you?
Can I get 2 Whopper Juniors with no pickle or tomato?
2 Whopper Juniors, no pickle, no tomato?
Yep.
Is that all for you?
So they're doing something here on the corners. Not sure what, but looks like they're making them bubble out or something. Lina's having so much fun at the grocery store with me. Reasonable squatting technique, Avery. Heels on ground, not Western Spy. So I mowed the backyard and now I'm just hanging out, and I went on eBay real quick and I found the border wallpaper for my bedroom when I was a kid, the Oilers wallpaper. So of course I ordered it. I don't know how much there is in there, but $22, why not, right? Okay, nostalgia. I feel like I'm gonna do one wall of that. If I could find the top and bottom too, that'd be the shit in the new house. That's definitely the plan.
Oh, hey guys.
We have invaded your space to try to figure out the internets.
Get out.
They are not spectacular at the moment.
Same thing.
It's about the same as what you were getting with it in my closet. Seth and I are on a wild goose chase trying to find an Ethernet cable somewhere in the center of the house that isn't as... I don't know what's wrong with the one going into the closet, but it cuts our internet in like by a third. It's down to a third of its capacity or capabilities. No cable, huh? Yeah, I mean, it is moving it.
Yeah, I mean, it's like pulled super tight.
From what? From the router?
Just from the wall going into the ceiling.
Okay, you know
Well,
what?
Oh, no, this. All of this. Well, no. No, count, yeah. Well, no. Fuck.
That was my favorite turn of events I've ever seen. You were so excited, then shut down, then excited again, then shut down.
No, this has no effect on this.
That's the input. It's going in. Where is that coming from?
It's just coming from the splitter. It's being split to everywhere. So
Yeah.
wherever there's a cable outlet, if there's a cable outlet anywhere,
Yeah,
you can put
we
this.
could put the modem there. So you want to... Okay, so we're moving the modem now.
Modem is gone.
Holy shit. So So what happened? Do you know?
I heard the dog start barking.
Oh, there was an accident? Son of a bitch. Did you see it?
Rain, and once again, same as always.
What's that?
Pulled out, you know what I mean?
Oh, like coming across
Yeah.
and
He
yeah, I
was
mean-
coming this way.
he was coming which way?
Or wait a second.
Damn.
Or wait a second. You know what? I don't know which one was flying. One was going quick.
If he was going, he could have got spun around. If he was coming from that way and his backside got hit as she pulled out from east,
I could have, well, maybe
it would have hit that. It would have hit that side
and
and spun him around into the ditch.
yeah.
Do you guys need anything? They haven't picked up the phone yet? That's brutal. And look at that. Look at the bottom of that truck. Damn there. It's crazy. Life just goes on right around it, huh? Isn't that crazy? Well, there's going to be another accident as she's out there trying to get video or pictures. Yeah, it's kind of ridiculous. What does that person think they're doing? Yeah, nobody cares out here. Everybody just keeps on going, and you know, it's not like there was an accident. Just keep driving.
The whole ass in. I can't believe it didn't turn over.
What happened? Was it going this way?
Huh? I think the van pulled down in front of me.
Oh,
I just seen the van pull up in the air.
okay. Well, goodbye traffic at this intersection. Oh, good. And it went up in the air? The van did?
Yeah,
It turned.
that's what I
Was it
seen.
going that way or this
I think
way?
it was going like this. When I seen it, it
Oh.
was just coming
Oh,
like this. When I seen it, it was the back end was.
really?
It was a good 8 foot off the ground. I thought sure it turned over. When I looked around the thing, I thought sure it'd be laying outside. But it didn't sound that bad, you know.
Right.
She went right underneath him.
Yeah. Okay, that
That's
makes
why it
sense.
knocked,
Looking at the
knocked
side.
the dry shaft down.
Oh. You'll notice the sirens for the typical reasons. Oh, good. Who could that be?
Better than the rock.
Yeah. What is going on here? Oh, we didn't notice with all the flashing lights and sirens.
I don't care.
See the paint splatter in the back of the window there? Looks like it busted open. In the back of the van, like some paint went flying.
Everyone's out here already?
Hello, fireman Michael Parks. Hey,
I'm at
Tim.
Greenwood and I see the fire truck and the cop car and I'm like, I'm gonna have to go around to the high school. I'm not gonna be able to.
Yeah, good call. You would have made it to the house, though. The fire guy was just here. You can't just drive around all the cop cars.
Like nothing's going on.
He's like, nope, not going around the cop cars.
Ah, that's so funny.
Seems a little late to be speeding up here, County. Oh, County's going through.
They're just now getting here. County is so slow.
There's more cops speeding down the road
This
here.
is county finally responding.
That's what I mean.
Wow.
Yeah, here's
You
County.
would think after somebody died, they would have sped that process up.
Wow, that's some slow shit right there. That is super slow. Well, you didn't need to go 80 and go through the yard today?
280 download.
Yeah?
Right here.
280. See, there was something. I knew there was something.
But do you have one of those old school, like, one coax in, the two out, so I can split it so I can still TV up here? Weak.
Come on.
Weak. Why is that? Maybe disconnect from Wi-Fi and reconnect.
Wait, yeah, actually don't, 'cause look. This happens, a full body fits in the LOL's head hole. So look, now you have this. Yeah, that's cool. Very, very cool.
Getting these birds.
You walk up
Nice. Yeah, that's what it looks like now. Looks good. I would chew them and drink something with it, but I mean, you look like you have a very chalky look on your face.
I remember eating Tums as kids like they're fucking candy.
Like I should not have done that.
I'll get a sweet picture with it.
This is Sam's behind the scenes of his photo shoot.
Yeah, fuck it. What do you want me to do?
Just pretend like we're hanging out. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, just like that. That's how we always are when we're hanging
I
out.
feel like this is like my normal pose that I do or something like this.
Go further away. Drive safe.
Thanks, dude.
Later.
Later. See you, Joel.
Later.
All these memories in my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm still a secret lemonade drinker.